Okay, this is just a small how-to video of how to build your own Crazyflie. So this is what we're aiming for, and this is what we have. And we have, for the front, we have a white motor mount, and for the rest we're black, and these are printed. We have a battery, the sticker to put the battery on the Crazyflie of course, propellers and motors. Okay, so let's get started. The easiest way to assemble it is to first put the wires through the motor mounts, all of them, like that, and just push it in. Just make sure that you can't put it upside down and press the axis of the motor, because that will actually damage the motor. So you have to press on the sides of the axis. So now we're all inserted into the motor mounts. We start with the soldering. And the easiest way to do this is to put the Crazyflie with the battery connector upwards. And just put a bit of soldering on all of the holes. And you can see the 4 holes here where the motor goes. So, okay. Mount it like this with the USB connector upwards, and then we start mounting the motors. The trick is you put the soldering iron on one side, and then you insert the motor wire from the other side. So let's try that. So starting with the bottom one, the first one is black. Oh. And then you alternate them as you go up. So for the next one, the first one is white.
By first you mean square?
Yep.
The square pad.
The square pad, yeah. So now we're all attached. So the best thing to do is to twist them around. So just twist, twist, twist. This is actually the hardest part. So, and when you twisted it, you just release it, kind of unwinds a bit, and you attach it. So the top one, there's markings here saying M1, and there's markings here just next to the solder pads with the same numbers. So let's do all of them. Okay. So the numbers M4, M4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the only thing that's left is actually gluing the motors in place to make sure that they stick. So we do this using the soldering station and hot glue. So So you heat up the hot glue a bit.
Could be done with a glue gun.
Yeah, this could be done with a glue gun. It's just that our glue gun isn't very good, so... Okay. We just detach the motor, put a tiny bit at the edge. Like that. And hook it again, just heat it up a bit. And push it inside like that. And then we do the same thing for all four. Now the motor mounts are glued. We attach the battery. So, take a piece of a pad, just here, cut off a piece, move the sticky pad on one side, place it on the battery, and then we remove protection on the other side, and there it is. So, the final thing is to put on the motors. The propellers. So, looking at the propellers, we start with the white one. And you can see that it's curved, this edge here. And this edge is straighter. So this curved edge goes on the white one, motor 1. And the same curve, the same curve goes on the opposite one, motor 3. And then the other two propellers, if you can see, they're curved on the other side here. That's close. They're curved here, and that's motor 2 and 4. So now all the propellers are attached, and just again make sure that the curved side is on these propellers.
So curved on left, top left.
Yeah. And here it's on the top right. Here. And then the only thing left to do is to power it on. And there you go.
Yay!
Hooray! And if you want to, you can kind of attach these nicely with some tape, like we've done here. And that's it. This is a really shitty video, but at least it shows how to do it. And you got that on tape.